this is Chef Shima with Swallow This by TC Mahone. Listen, I'm sure you can see by now that I have on a totally different outfit from the first time we visited the Hotpot 757 or 757 here in Virginia Beach, Virginia. So, well, it's safe to say that you guys, I love it. It is a lot of food. We got both, which was the hot pot and the Korean barbecue. I very much enjoyed everything. The experience is lovely. I actually read some of the reviews, and it was a lot of mixed reviews, but I was very surprised when I attended. And again, this is my second time, so you know how serious I am about it. But I would say don't believe everything that you read. Experience it for yourself. We even brought my niece back this time with us, and she enjoyed it as well. But please remember, it is a lot of food because it is all you can eat. So only order what you can actually eat. We had a wonderful time. The experience with the staff was very good. They were very fast, friendly. We understood what we needed to do. A lot of stuff is very self-explanatory. So all in all, overall, the Hot Pot 757 was a great experience, and you should definitely try it. And yes, despite what you may read in the reviews, I had nothing but good service when I came here, okay? All right, and for the second time, I'm still having good service. We're good, guys. Definitely come to Hot Pot 757. It'll bless you, baby, trust me. Chef Shima will Swallow This by TC Mahone. Thank you to my subscribers and to my members. And again, thank you guys for hanging in there with me. Despite what I had going on recently, you guys still rock and I still love you. You're A1 in my book. Chef Shima will Swallow This by TC Mahone. I'll talk to you later.